What is going on YouTube? Brandon's Tech here, and today we got a budget-friendly phone case for your OnePlus 13. This one is from Amazon. This will set you back about just around 18 to 20 bucks depending on where you live. This is the Besinpo translucent case. I've been dailying this case for some time, so consider this a long-term review. So just taking a quick look, it is a TPU rugged case. It feels great. It's kind of like the Torres cases for the velvety feeling. Just to take a quick look, I do have some chipping off from just regular use. There is some nicks coming off, so this will happen over time. So just take a quick look at it. I mean, for the money that you're paying, you really can't go wrong with this type of case. So let's take a quick look, throw it in the case, see where we're at. Let's just take a quick look around the case. Plenty of lip action for your camera, so you don't have to worry about that. The only thing you got to worry about is cleaning the lenses from time to time, which normally does get in there. You got plenty of access to your Type-C port, and you do see that there is lots of grooves in there to keep it protected. There will be dust, so you got to obviously do your due diligence and clean from time to time. Lots of lip action, plenty of lip, don't even need to worry. And the corners are recessed enough so that if you do drop your phone, you don't need to really worry. There's plenty of bump protection. It is advertised at 12 feet, I believe, of drop protection. Whether or not that is 100% accurate, I think it's just a selling point to sell the phone case to make you feel more safer with a purchasing decision that you would end up making if you're to buy this case. It is a matte translucent velvety feeling case. It does get fingerprints and smudges over time, so you do have to worry about that. If that really bothers you, you can just clean it off with a microfiber cloth. Your buttons are really tactile, clicky, easy to access, no problems whatsoever. Like I said, there is going to be some cosmetic worrying over time because mine is starting to chip off from everyday use. I've used this case for about 2 months now, every single day. This is the condition that it is currently in, and I don't drop my phone. That's just from handling. So you'll see that, over time, the case will lose a little bit of its paint or whatever that coating is. But another chip there. This is just from handling the phone. This is not from dropping the phone. But that's basically what you're going to get when it comes to the protection. Tons and tons of protection. I do like the surrounding lip for your screen, which is a big selling point for me. I always believe that every case should have a decent amount of lip, especially when you are using your phone, no matter if you're facing it down on the table or even if you're putting it on the back. There should always be enough lip for protection for your cameras and also your lip of your screen. Because these phones are really expensive, we should always have decent protection for lip. There's no excuse for it whatsoever this late in the game. But overall, this is a solid case for 20 bucks. You can't go wrong. It's on Amazon. I'll leave an affiliate link in the description below. But MagSafe is a big selling point as well when it comes to phone cases. Without it, it is nearly impossible to choose a case. So I do like the actual magnet on this case. Plenty of magnet. It is a solid magnet. It's not the strongest, but it does the job. So if you want MagSafe, you want a slim but protective case with the lip protection, camera protection, good clicky feeling, good handling, velvety feeling, kind of like a Torres case, this is going to be the case for you. It looks and feels great in the hand, so definitely recommend getting this case. I'll leave the link in the description below. Thanks.